Welcome back, my fellow car enthusiasts, to autos.iNthacity.com. Whether you're here for the pure joy of cars or just to escape your daily grind, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the aesthetic and performance of the BMW M2, an ode to power and elegance. Trust me, this is the kind of car that makes you want to trade in your grocery getter for something that actually makes your heart race. Don't forget to check the description for the link to our blog article and cheat sheet. You'll want to dive deeper after this. Let's start with the M2's stance. This car doesn't just roll into a scene. It takes over like that one friend who always shows up in the flashiest outfit. The bold kidney grille and sharp headlights pierce through even the gloomiest skies, making it impossible to ignore. It's a predator in the wild, and you're either its prey or its accomplice. Now let's talk about what's under the hood, or rather, surrounding it. The body kit isn't just for show. It's an engineering masterpiece that manipulates air like a maestro conducting an orchestra. With aerodynamic enhancements, wide arches, and a functional rear wing, this car isn't just about looking fast. It's about being fast. And that exhaust, it's not just a throaty roar. It's a symphony for your soul. Imagine this beast amidst nature's serenity, rustic fields and tree-covered hills. The M2's raw energy against this backdrop is like chaos meeting calm. It's a reminder that beauty can exist in power, much like finding joy in a perfectly executed drift. When you slip behind the wheel of the M2, you're not just driving. You're embarking on an adventure. It's a cocktail of adrenaline, freedom, and rebellion. Every rev of the engine sparks excitement, like love at first sight, but with fewer awkward moments. So where can you find your own M2? Head to BMW's official site to start your journey. And for accessories that complement this automotive Adonis, check out Amazon or AutoZone. After all, you wouldn't dress a masterpiece in rags, would you? The M2 isn't just a car. It's a lifestyle. It challenges you to rethink your assumptions about driving. Why just get from point A to point B when you can revel in the journey? Embrace the open road, the control over horsepower, and the thrill of speed. The M2 doesn't just let you exist, it lets you live. In conclusion, the BMW M2 is a breathtaking blend of elegance and raw power. It's a car that invites you to grab the keys, unleash the beast, and let it take you on an unforgettable adventure. Thank you for watching, my friends. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, drop a comment, share it with your fellow car lovers, and don't forget to subscribe to autos.iNthacity.com. Until next time, keep driving with passion.